Hi, this is Steve DeMasi, and welcome to Uncharted DIY. Digital calipers only do one thing, and they're not the most glamorous of tools, but they sure make measuring small things that are otherwise tough to measure accurate and easy. Imagine the difficulty of trying to measure something like this with any degree of exactitude. These eliminate the need to eyeball your measurements. These have three universal systems of measurement: decimal inches, fractions, and millimeters. It's an equally practical choice for both professionals and for do-it-yourself projects, and it adds accuracy down to a thousandth of an inch. The digital display is fast and easy to read compared to analog dial types. It measures outside dimensions, inside dimensions, and has an extendable depth gauge for use in slots and holes. The step feature makes it especially easy to measure things like the threaded portion of a screw or bolt. These come in handy all the time, and I find myself reaching for them rather than a ruler or tape measure for small measurements. I often take this with me when I go to the hardware store to make sure bits and pieces of a project are going to play nicely together. I use mine for measuring nuts, bolts, bearings, brake rotors, cables, 3D printer calibration, woodworking, gaskets, plumbing, sizing drill bits, dowels, shims, and springs, and turning on a lathe. They're also ideal for machined parts, leather thickness, reloading, and fabrication. These are amazingly useful tools for the price. These can run about $30, though you can spend upwards of 10 times that amount if you need mission-critical, life-hanging-in-the-balance precision, or you work for NASA. Because these calipers are so inexpensive, I have a set in my office, one at the workbench, and one in my toolbox. I highly recommend getting one or more of these. You'll wonder how you manage to take accurate measurements without them. You'll find a free PDF with information on how to get the most accurate measurements with these cool calipers on UnchartedDIY.com. This is Steve, and thanks for watching Uncharted DIY. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have questions, tips or tricks of your own, or other tools you didn't know you needed, please leave them here in the comments or on the article page at UnchartedDIY.com.